Hello viewers, this is Fahim and you're watching my channel Realistic Motion. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a awesome glowing text in Adobe Premiere Pro. So stay tuned. So here's my video clip. So I'm going to create a text on this video. So first of all, I'm going to select the text tool and I'm going to write the text. So here is my text. So I'm going to align this text in this video. So now I'm going to apply the glowing effect on this text. So here is my effects panel. I'm going to video effects and then I'm going to stylize folder. Then I'm going to apply alpha glow. So now you can see the drop shadow in this text. Now I'm going to change the shadow color. So I am applying different color from this. So now you can see the color appears. Now I'm going to increase the glowness value. So here is my glowing text. You can easily increase the brightness level of this glowness, and by this you can create easily the glowing text. Now I'm going to extra effect on this text. You can see here brush strokes. So I'm going to apply this effect. I like to apply this effect because I like this effects both, and you can use these effects both in your video. And now I'm going to extend the text according to the video. Now I'm going to play the video. So here is my glitchy glowing text, and you can apply this effect on your video. And if you like this video, please subscribe my button, and last of all, stay safe, stay home.